Hey, hello everyone. I am live. In case if you have any questions, you can ask me. Hello, Girish. Hello, Local Boy. Hello, Aki. Okay, if you have any questions, uh, I guess you might be watching my videos since long, so you are following me. And today is the first time I have come live. So if you want to ask me anything, you can just ask me. And I will also share few things in this live. Uh, See, this is the desk where I sit and take classes. Okay, this is my laptop. I'll just show you. I'll just flip the camera, and here you see this is my desk. Okay, and I am surrounded by uh, my certificates. You see here. The reason I kept all my achievements surrounded by me because it keeps me motivated. Okay, and I suggest you also the same. Whatever the certificates you have, whatever the achievements you have, any awards if you have received, so just keep it surrounded by you where you sit for your work, where you sit to practice something, or do read, right? So whatever the things you do, you just keep yourself surrounded by your achievements. Okay, so I just want to show you my achievements. uh, See, long back ago I have done this certification. It is NLP practitioner certificate. NLP means not the natural language language programming. So it is neuro linguistic programming. It is related to something with your brain. So doing this certification makes you a level 1 life coach. Okay, along with that, long back ago I have completed my software testing ISTQB certification. I did this in November 2021, and after that so many business certifications also I have done, like with Vivek Bindra. Then 2 of them are done with some Marathi trainers like Snehal Kamble and Namdev Rao Jadhav. Once in my college, the Accenture company had come when I was in PI City. So that time on 29th March 2008, I did this data warehousing and business intelligence certification. I just for the out of interest, I have also learned the tarot card reading. And you see here, this is my angel desks. He is my mentor. Okay, Sneh Desai. Just like you go to your mentor and learn few things, so he is my mentor, and I learn lot of things with my mentor. And the important certification I have done with my mentor is the Train the Trainer certification. So if you have attended any of my workshop, any of my session, or if you might be just following me and watching my videos, so it is my essence is completely coming from this my mentor who have taught me how to train the people. So Train the Trainer certification. Along with that, I have also done the experiential outbound training for team building. So I can conduct that also. And these are my this is actually my goal charts. Okay, so this is my goal chart. So in my workshop I also encourage people to prepare your goal charts. Okay, so this is me. And okay, if you have any questions, so I have one question by Pooja: how to get interview call? Okay, so getting interview call is not a big deal. You just build your profile and put it into Naukri and LinkedIn. Always keep watch. See, just putting it into Naukri or LinkedIn is not sufficient. You should dedicate every day at least 15 minutes for doing this job search activity, right? You go to these portals and then search for the relevant job based on your profile. Keep applying them, and at the same time keep your preparation ready, because always remember that when the opportunity meets the preparation, the success happens. Miss, if you have preparation but if you don't have opportunity, it's of no use. You have opportunity but you are not prepared, that is also not useful. So as long as the opportunity is not there, you focus on the preparation, because more you will sweat in practice, you will bleed less at the time of war. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning the things what you have maybe through any source you have learned. You might have learned through any workshops, you might have learned through any YouTube video, Udemy classes, or any live sessions. Whatever you have learned, you just keep practicing it. Okay, because you never know when the opportunity will come. And don't worry about, some people are saying there is a recession, maybe there are less opportunities, but always remember that you prepare yourself in such a way that even if there is only one opportunity, you should have that confidence that this opportunity, I will grab it. I will grab that opportunity. This confidence you should have. Okay. So yes, anything else if you have? Okay. So yes, if you have anything to ask, you can just ask me anything. Yes. So let's see who else have joined recently. I always talk about goal setting, right? So just your preparation with technology is not enough. Okay, you should set your goal and you should set your why. I always tell the story in my Power Move workshop. If you have attended my Power Move workshop, it is actually 3 hours free workshops. So every month I take, if you get an opportunity, if you somehow get the message of Power Move workshop, so you please do attend it. It's a free workshop, 3 hours workshop. So there I always tell this story just to make your why clear. And I would like to share the story again here. There were two friends, one 6 years old, another 12 years old. They had a nice friendship. Means they used to play around the village. They used to, jump here and there. And they had a nice bond. Once what happened is that it was a summer noon and they went far at a place from their village, and it was a summer and a big farm was there, and they started playing, they started jumping, they started enjoying there, and they couldn't realize that there was a well, and one of the boy fell into that well. Another boy, 6-year-old, was outside it. He couldn't understand whom to call, but he saw a rope and a bucket. He immediately tied the rope to the bucket and he thrown that bucket into the well, and he asked his friend that pull it. He kept on pulling, he kept on pulling, he kept on pulling until and unless he did not pull out his friend. Once his friend came out of the well, they became happy, they started crying, they started hugging each other. But they also realized that if this news got spread in the village, then people or our parents will separate us. They will say that don't play with this person. But it didn't happen. In the village, rather a different kind of conversation started, that how could a boy 6 years old could pull out a 12 years old boy, means a boy who couldn't even lift a water full of bucket. He actually pulled out the 12 years old boy. But while they were confused, they went to a wise person in the village and asked the same question, that how could this boy pull out another boy which was almost double its weight. So the wise person said that what more I can tell you about it. The boy is saying itself that he tied the rope to the bucket, he thrown the bucket into the well, his friend pulled the his friend caught the bucket and he pulled out him. What more I can tell? Then the villager said, but how? How could the 6-year-old boy pulled out the 12 years old boy who was almost double the weight? That is actually the question. You know what he said? He said the question is not how. The question is why. Why he could pulled out his friend out of the well, and it has only one answer. Because when he pulled out his friend, that time far at a distance, there was no one, there was nobody to tell him that you cannot do this. You cannot do this. So many times, many people says to you that this is not possible, you're thinking about something which is unrealistic. Sometimes your own voice keeps on telling you that this is something I can't do. But my friends, there is nothing that you cannot do. It's just that the preparation, and second thing is your why. If your why is clear and if you are ready to do that preparation, you can achieve any result, anything you want. You want to switch your job, you want to grow in your own organization, you want to earn more money, you want to get rid of your debt, you want to buy a car, you want to buy a house. Whatever your dream is, there is a scientific process to achieve that. It's just that you create your vision board, whatever you want to achieve. Nowadays on ChatGPT, or there are so many other tools using which you can create your canvas, what you want to achieve. You just create the canvas, take a printout of it and keep it in front of you and visualize that, feel that you have already achieved. In case if you want to switch your job, and if you are working in a small company and if you want to go into the big organization, big MNC, so just create a picture as such. You are standing in front of that company, or you are into the cubicle of that company. Create that picture, keep it in front of you. So this will remind you, because your subconscious mind does not understand the difference between reality and the imagination. If you start imagining it, your whole body will push you to complete that action, to prepare yourself, to do the coding, to do the practice, and it will push you and ultimately take you to the place where you want. Okay, so always believe on yourself. You can achieve a result, because if you don't even believe that you can achieve a result, you even don't start the process that will make you or take you there. Okay, so when you believe, you start the process. When you believe that I stuck here in this organization, I want to get out, and I will be able to do it if I follow these steps, right? Prepare yourself, upgrade yourself, start giving interview. Remember, there is no shortcut to success. You have to follow the process. Follow the process, follow the steps, and keep your mindset to do something extra. Because what extraordinary is, when you add something extra to your ordinary things, it becomes extraordinary. And when you become extraordinary, you achieve your result. Because so many people says that there is a lot of competition, but let me tell you frankly, many companies struggle to get good employees, because there are so many people who always say that मेरे को जितना मिलेगा ना उतना ही काम करूंगा. And there are so many people who even don't work, for which they get paid for. And there are some people who work only that much for which they get paid. But there is a different level or a different category of people who are ready to work for more than what they can get. Okay, it's not about, mixing up the personal life with the professional life. Okay, so this, I believe, it's myth as long as you don't want the success, right? So if you want to achieve the success, then my friends, you have to go little beyond. Whatever you are doing work, so after the work you should add some little more time so that you can prepare yourself and achieve the result what you want. Okay, because when I was in first year, I practically telling you, I sit on a bench, and it was the first day of my college, and I read one thing, somebody, my senior, might have written on the bench, and it was, always get what you like, otherwise you will be forced to like what you get. Okay, and that actually shook me that day, and I decided that I am going to achieve what I like, right? Then, when you decide it, everything will not be like sweet song. There will be ups and downs, but during the downtime, you have to push yourself and keep moving forward. Keep moving forward. It's not about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get a hit and keep moving forward. Okay? Yes, in between, if you have any question, anything to ask, you can just ask me. I will keep talking. Okay. So yes, anything you want to ask, you can ask. Okay, how many people are here since the beginnings, since I started the live? Just give me or wave a hand button, or click on any thumbs up or heart emoji. Okay, can you guide on building a portfolio? Okay, so see, first of all, understand one thing, that many people create their resume even today, like 2-3 pages long, so because we want to show the lot of hard work that we have done. Never do that. No matter how long your experience is, if you have 5 years experience, 10 years experience, 15 years experience, your resume or portfolio should not be more than 1 page. Max to max 2 pages. 2 pages is also big. Your resume, your portfolio should be 1 page only, and I will give you one tool. Go to canva.com. Okay, go to canva.com and search for resume. So there it's a free tool. If you want, you can get a paid version of it also. Paid version hardly cost you 500 rupees per month. You can take in the group, means 2-3 people, you just do the contribution, means 100 rupees, and 5 people inclusively, 5 people, and you can buy